There we go. Muskie right at the bank. There's one. I'm actually honestly surprised there's not a single soul here right now. Saturday afternoon, beautiful day. It's windy, but I'm surprised. I'm actually gonna try something a little different today. I mean, it's still a jig, but the plastic's different. I'm not gonna go into details of it just yet, but let's see if we can get something on this. I'm loving this clarity though. Still a little stained. It's probably got a foot of visibility yet. Just kind of perfect. Well, there just swam a fish right along the bank. Couldn't tell what it was. Kind of looked like a bass. There we go. Muskie right at the bank. Little guy, but just missiled right after it. Just tucked in this little pocket right here. I switched to a little chatterbait too. H&H Customs. Well, I think it's a micro blade he calls it. The red. Wasn't really feeling that jig I was using earlier. I love the color of these juvenile muskies. Just seems like their colors just stand out. Yeah, I got a little muskie. Thank you. Chatterbait.
A what?
A chatterbait. Like, yeah. Try to get him out of the tree branches here. I can just pop them off. Like I said, just beautiful colors on them. I was smart, did bring a pair of pliers. There, he's off. Stuck in my line though. There he goes. Well, he's off, I mean, he's about to go. There he is. All right, well, first catch of the day. Well, muskie. I mean, I showed this in a prior video, but this is what I'm using here. This is a Max 4 little paddle tail swim bait, and I have it on H&H Custom Baits. It's a red skirt, as you can see, black blade. Just compact, small. Seems like the muskies like it. Well, good morning. Gonna start off this morning session here. I know some of you guys might be thinking, you always fish these spots. Well, right now the river is high, like I said, so these are some key spots close to me, literally right outside my back door in my backyard. So I'm gonna fish them, and catch some fish here. So I have to leave fish to find fish. But I have been venturing to other spots. I'm just not catching fish there, so they're not coming up on videos. But I'm gonna throw around this black and blue jig once again. I do have an underspin that I was throwing yesterday. Didn't catch anything on it, but I know there's fish that are eating moving baits. Just had a buddy, shout out to you, Camden, caught a nice smallmouth on a jerk bait yesterday. I caught one on a chatterbait. But I think this morning I'm just gonna start something low and slow. And yeah, let's see what we can hook into. Smack that one right on the tree. There's one. Just gonna get him up over this rope here. There we go. Nice smallie to start the morning off here. Thanks for the fight, bud. Get you off my line. Yesterday was a complete wind fest. I mean, it was ripping. I think we had like 41 mile an hour gusts, so I'm hoping today's not the same. It feels like it's starting to pick up, but it's nothing too brutal and crazy yet. I did get a new kayak too for this upcoming season, so definitely be getting a kayak out here soon. Just want the river to drop a little bit. I still have some more rigging to do on it, but I'll show you the clips of what I got done so far. This year I'll be adventuring in the Old Town Sportsman PDL 106. Thanks to Railblaza, I was able to equip a few amenities to this kayak. Track loaders, mini port track mounts, and track expanders are convenient and useful accessories to have for rod holders, camera mounts, and more. If you're a content creator like myself, Railblaza has a few options to pick from for camera pulls. I also added an additional rod holder to conveniently slide a rod in when unhooking fish and rigging up leaders or tying on new baits as well. One thing I was impressed with when adding these components is not only the easy installation of them, but inserting the accessories into these universal mounts is easy and stress-free. Simply unlock the octagram shaped ports, insert your gadget, lock it, and you're done. To change one out, just unlock it, pull it out, and swap it. Railblaza has a ton of accessories for all makes and models of kayaks. Check them out for yourself to get your kayak rigged up for this year. Thank you for watching. As always, stay fishing, stay anchored, and God bless you.